Gender-affirming care must now be covered by North Carolina's state employee health plan. A federal judge ruled that not covering it is unconstitutional. WFMY News 2's Avery Powell breaks down the lawsuit that prompted the change.
This lawsuit was brought on by 6 transgender North Carolinians and 2 fathers with transgender sons. The basis of the suit is that the state employee health care plan did not cover gender-affirming care for these people. But what is gender-affirming care? I spoke with a doctor at Cone Health to get some insight.
When we're talking about gender affirming medical treatment specifically, what we're really talking about is typically hormone therapy or surgery, not all of which is something that patients necessarily need to have or want to have, depending on the individual.
Dr. Natalie Alexander with Cone Health said she is one of the few primary care doctors in North Carolina that prescribes hormones to transgender or non-binary people. But gender-affirming care does not always have to be medical. It can also just include something like changing your hairstyle or clothing to match your gender identity. In the lawsuit, a judge ruled that the state health plan not covering gender-affirming care was unconstitutional and violated federal law.
Really also sent a message that their needs can be ignored by the state health plan because of who they are.
The state treasurer, whose office manages the employee health plan, said he hoped a jury would decide the outcome of this lawsuit. A trial is expected next month to decide on financial compensation for the plaintiffs.